Subtracting two-digit numbers with regrouping. If we have 84 minus 56, at first we start with ones. 4 minus 6 doesn't work. Why? Because when we subtract, we start with the greater number minus the smaller number. But here we have 4 minus 6. We start with what? The smaller number. So what we do, we go to the next place and borrow 1. So 8 becomes 7, and this 1 in tens equals 10 ones. So we add this 10 to 4. So 4 plus 10 equals 14. 14 minus 6 equals 8. And 7 minus 5 equals 2. Here 45 minus 23. At first we start with what? We start with ones. 5 minus 3 equals 2. And 4 minus 2 equals 2. Here we have 52 minus 46. 2 minus 6 doesn't work. So we go to 5 and borrow 1. 5 become 4. And 2 become 12. 12 minus 6 equals 6. And 4 minus 4, 0. Excellent. (28) minus 19. 8 minus 9 doesn't work, so we go to the next place and borrow 1 from 2. And 2 become what? Become 1. And 8 become 18. And 18 minus 9, 9. And 1 minus 1, 0. 19 minus 7, 9 minus 7 equals what? Equals 2. And 1 minus 0, 1. 78 minus 66, 8 minus 6, 2 equals 2. And 7 minus 6 equals 1. 80 minus 42, 0 minus 2 doesn't work, so we go to the next place and borrow 1. 8 becomes 7, and this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2, 10 minus 2, 8. And 7 minus 4, 3. (97) minus 49. 7 minus 9 doesn't work, so we go to what? Next place and borrow 1. 9 become 8. And 7 become 17. And 17 minus 9 equals 8. And 8 minus 4, 4. 61 minus 30. 1 minus 0 equals 1. And 6 minus 3, 3. Here we subtracting three-digit numbers with regrouping. (144) minus 129. When we subtract, we start with what? We start with ones. 4 minus 9 doesn't work. Here we start with smaller number. And when we subtract, we must start with the greater number minus the smaller number. So what we do? We go to what? We go to next place, which is tens place, and borrow 1. From tens, 4 becomes 3. And 4 here in ones become 14. Okay, now we subtract 14 minus 9 equals 5. And 3 minus 2 equals 1. And 1 minus 1 equals 0. 373 minus 157. Start with 1. 3 minus 7 doesn't work. So we go what? We go to next place. 7 become 6. And 3 become what? Become 13. 30 minus 7 equals 6. And 6 minus 5 equals 1. And 3 minus 1 equals 2. 216. 785 minus 136. 5 minus 6 doesn't work. We go to next place and put 1, it become 7. And 5 become 15. And 15 minus 6 equals what? Equals 9. And 7 minus 3 equals 4. And 7 minus 1 equals 6. $297 minus 259. We start with what? We start with ones. 7 minus 9 doesn't work. We go to tens place. 9 become 8. And 7 becomes 17. And 17 minus 9 equals what? 17 minus 9 equals 8. Excellent. And 8 minus 5 equals 3. And 2 minus 2 equals 0. 485 minus 108. Start with ones. 5 minus 8 doesn't work, so we go to next place, which is tens place. 8 become 7. And 5 become 15. And 15 minus 8, 7. And 7 minus 0, 7. And 4 minus 1, 3. 673 minus 219. 3 minus 9 doesn't work. We go to tens place and put a 1. 7 becomes 6. And 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 9 equals 4. And 6 minus 1 equals 5. And 6 minus 2 equals 4. $542 minus 233. 2 minus 3 doesn't work. So we go to next place, which is tens place. 4 becomes 3. 2 becomes 12. And 12 minus 3 equals 9. And 3 minus 3 equals 0. And 5 minus 2 equals 3. 654 minus 235. 4 minus 5 doesn't work. We go to next place, which is tens place. 5 become 4. And 4 become 14. And 14 minus 5 equals 9. 4 minus 3 equals 1. And 6 minus 2 equals 4.